Okay, so a big welcome today from San Francisco Chronicle. We are in San Francisco and have been here for around 3 days. I'm here for another day tomorrow just to finish off our work. Let's start firstly with an investor update. We are now at 20 days remaining. That's 10 days through our investment pitch. We're now at 24% to target. We've hit the 60,000 mark. We're at £60,850, 73 investors with 132 people looking for follow-up information and just keeping an eye on the investment as it goes. So really exciting stuff. I have a number of face-to-face investment meetings next week in London. And I feel that these might be larger ticket value items because obviously people are coming into the office, meeting the team, spending time understanding our business a little bit closer. So looking forward to next week. In terms of what we're doing in San Francisco, well, we're here with Hearst. This is a $10 billion company. We're here at the Hearst head offices, and we're actually putting technology live on SF Gate. It's a little bit delayed due to the hurricane that's happening down in Texas. Houston's where all of their production happens. So we are having to just wait for that tech to go live. But the conversation's been amazing. We have the San Francisco Chronicle looking at taking our tech. We've got SF Gate taking the technology. Also, what's quite interesting, there's been a number of other channels that have been coming in to see us. One is The Press, which is a Napa Valley wine publication, and they're looking at how to take wine events and also resell a premium service to make those wine events successful. SF Chronicle, as mentioned, I think is one of the leading brands in the market. And there's also a product called Datebook, which is all around event dates that are in the paper right now that they're trying to service onto the web. And we are bringing to these products not only events data, event discovery, we're bringing the event distribution service that's really enabling this organization to understand revenue opportunities. We're expected to see somewhere between $250,000 to $1 million per channel in terms of revenue, which sits on a partnership relationship with Hearst directly. We're really clear with the management team. We're not going to be leaving SF Gate and the Chronicle until we see the revenue numbers achieved. One of the biggest issues in this market is that technology companies place their tech all over the web. It really makes the whole opportunity difficult to manage, hard to resource, both from a technical perspective, but also from a project management and manpower perspective. So the story is really clear, and I really love the fact that Ginger here at the Chronicle is very clear on the same point. We do not leave these distribution channels. We do not leave SF Gate until we have a clear $50,000 to $100,000 revenue line monthly. This is something we expect to see by December, leading into the new year for 2018 schedules. And also, once we've achieved that and we see revenue being delivered by their outsourced sales teams, around 26 staff, and also through the 3 dedicated staff that they're allocating to this project, we're then going to be looking at how we roll this out Hearst-wide, not only in magazine, newspaper, and also magazines across the brand. I think Houston's next on our schedule, but San Francisco's been very, very busy. Been an awesome time here, and we're really looking to start seeing these products rolling out. We've also interviewed and hired a new business development manager that's going to be sitting in California managing this relationship. Worked for Hearst for over 5 years, knows the VP here exceptionally well, and is already doing a phenomenal job of managing our technology and a newspaper's expectations, which is one of the biggest challenges of working with third-party partnerships. Really excited to have this guy on board here in the US, our first US hire, which is awesome. And we're really looking forward to seeing how his relationship with this company gets our tech to market. I'm on a flight tomorrow back into Europe. I'm going to be heading from here to Barcelona, and I'll give you an update probably on the way tomorrow, and continue to provide further news towards allowing you to make a solid investment in an event. Please head over to our CrowdCube page, invest in event. We're looking to get to 100,000 mark over the next 10 days, so please invest.